Did you know that starting in 2025, your dream of living and freelancing in Germany could slip away if you don't meet the new income thresholds? That's right, Germany is shaking things up for non-EU expats like you. But hold on, there's also a thrilling new opportunity that could open doors you never imagined. Germany is home to over 14 million expats, many of whom rely on the freelance visa to chase their passions, grow their businesses, and enjoy the incredible lifestyle this country offers. From the bustling streets of Berlin to the serene Bavarian countryside, this visa has been your ticket to freedom. But with big changes coming in 2025, your future here might depend on what you do next. In this video, we're diving into the updates to Germany's freelance visa, new income rules, health insurance tweaks, and a game-changing digital nomad visa pilot. Income thresholds. First up, let's talk money. Starting in 2025, Germany is raising the bar for freelancers. You'll need to prove an annual income of at least 45,000 euros to qualify for the freelance visa. This isn't just a random number. It's inspired by the Blue Card, a permit for highly skilled workers, signaling that Germany wants freelancers who can thrive here. Imagine Maria, a graphic designer from Brazil. She's been freelancing in Germany for 2 years, but now she's crunching the numbers to hit that 45,000 euro mark. Maybe it's time to raise her rates or land a big client. This change might feel daunting, but it's also a push to level up your game. Why does this matter? Because your financial stability is Germany's way of ensuring you can support yourself and contribute to this vibrant economy. So, here's a question to wake you up. Have you checked your earnings lately? You might be closer or farther than health insurance minimums. Next, let's cover your health. The 2025 rules say you must show proof of health insurance costing at least 220 euros per month. This isn't about pinching pennies. It's about proving you've got solid coverage, whether it's public or private. Picture John, a writer from the USA, living in Hamburg. His basic plan won't cut it anymore, so he's shopping for an upgrade to meet that 220 euro minimum. This isn't just bureaucracy, it's your safety net. Without it, an unexpected hospital bill could derail your German adventure, or worse, risk your visa. Health insurance ties directly to your income, too. You need both to stay secure here. Think of it as investing in peace of mind while you build your freelance empire. Don't laugh, but here's a tip. You don't need to learn German overnight to sort this out, though it might help with the paperwork. And if these rules feel out of reach, there's a new twist coming your way. Digital Nomad Visa pilot launch. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Germany's launching a digital nomad visa pilot in 2025. This is for remote workers who earn from companies or clients outside Germany, unlike the freelance visa, which often ties you to local business. Meet Ahmed, a software engineer from Egypt. He works for a tech firm in the Middle East and dreams of Munich's beer gardens. This pilot could let him live here while keeping his remote gig. It's a fresh chance for those who might not hit the 45,000 euro freelance threshold or who work globally. But here's the catch. It's a pilot, so spots might be limited and details are still unfolding. This connects to everything we've covered. If the income or insurance rules don't fit, this visa could be your plan B. So let's tie it all together. The 2025 freelance visa updates bring a 45,000 euro income threshold, a 220 euros per month health insurance requirement, and a shiny new digital nomad visa pilot. These changes are a challenge, but also a call to action. You've got the power to adapt and thrive in Germany. Start by reviewing your income. Can you hit that 45,000 euro mark, or do you need to hustle harder? Check your health insurance. Does it meet the minimum, or is it time for a switch? And keep an eye on that digital nomad visa. It might just be your golden ticket. Don't wait. Time's ticking toward 2025. If these rules feel tough, explore other paths like the job seeker visa, or even a job with blue card perks. Talk to an immigration expert or connect with expat groups for insider tips. Your German dream isn't over. It's evolving. Want to know more? Here's the cliffhanger. Stick around for our next video, where we'll reveal insider secrets to ace these visa changes. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.